Hello, my friends. This is day 2 of National Poetry Month, and I'm reading to you from my new book, Writing by Heart, A Poetry Path to Healing and Self-Discovery, published by New World Library. Today, we're working with fire. This example poem is called I Am Fire by Natalie Keshlear. I am the crackle, and I am the pop that lulls you to sleep, the warmth that cuddles up against your cheeks, red and pink, bringing flame to the surface of your skin. I am blood, watering the ground beneath red soiled feet, constellations between steps and among trees, dancing wildly in the middle of the forest, scar maps and bands of heat, energy and messiness, creating directions to the home place. I am candlelight, incandescence, and restlessness, and staying up until dawn. I am embodied and sweating and shaking wildly, yawning, stretching, howling at the moon. I am wolf, I am bear, I am fox medicine, intuition, stepping lightly, dancing on tippy toes, seeing the details under the words, between sighs, looking you straight in the eye. I am ember and blaze, nourished from small to mighty, full of whooshes, the power of believing. I am fire by Natalie Keshlear. Happy April National Poetry Month. See you tomorrow. Have a fabulous day.